Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jesus. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, boys and girls, you did so good. Everybody Okay, I would like to give a special thanks to Miss Sharon, our music teacher. She has worked so hard to prepare the kids for our music program. I would also like to thank the teachers since they're standing up here now. They do such a great job, and they work so hard each and every day for your children. Thank you. Just a reminder before we send the kiddos back, actually, if you want to start with the little room, start going, we will have school tomorrow and Thursday. I know that was a question for some of you guys, but then the next 2 weeks we will be out for Christmas break, and we will start back on the 5th of January. And I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas, and God bless you all. And after the children make their way back, you're more than welcome to go back with them.